The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's has had a great night, ready for a great day. How you doing, Ahmed? Hope you got some sleep. Let me start my music and then we'll be ready to rock and rumble. There we go. Okay, so let's look at the markets overnight, the market to market. ES dipped a little bit more. As you see, it dipped most of the afternoon. Everything dipped most of the afternoon. Try to recover some. Huge candle there. Well, green is good. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, it is. I've been noticing it's choppy. 44.09 for the low on ES. And popping up to, we're just about at high day now. 44.31, so it's about 22 points of range. Looks like something's popping right now. Hold on, let me look over there. Not really. Okay. And Q dipped down to dip below. We did dip below 15,000 yesterday. Still below 15,000. 887 for the low and 987 for the high. So hey, I could do that math. That's 100. Good morning, Juan. How are you? And the YM dipped down to 34,779 up to 34,925. It's about 150 points of range. Copper made a new high since I moved that yellow line. Boom. So about 160 ticks. Gold also, everything's moving above my yellow lines. Boom. Got about 11. Ultra bond dipped down about a point and a half, which is pretty big for the ultra bond. Why would you YOLO? Crude about 150 ticks of range, back above 80 after dipping down below 79. Natural gas has been all over the place. Bitcoin's not having a good day, down below 28.5. That's where we sit stand. Or whatever body posture you're choosing to take. For news, as Ahmad just attested to, we do have jobless claims coming up here in 25 minutes. Let's look what else we have on the docket today. Not much. Jobless claims and U.S. Philly Fed Business Index at 8:30. A U.S. leading index change. I don't know what that is. I don't remember seeing that before. At 10 o'clock, I don't think it's going to have much of an effect. And natural gas inventories. Tomorrow, there's like no news catalysts. Canadian PPI, that's it, which I don't think is going to move the market because how much could moose pelts go up? So let's see what we get. Could be a choppier morning. Next week we have a major catalyst. I don't know the exact day. Oh yeah, I do. From let's see here. Hold on. Dude, let me look at my calendar. 23rd, 24th, and 25th. It's the Jackson Hole Symposium. And that's kind of like an FOMC in a way. They don't announce like an interest rate hike, but they talk about monetary policy. And when Powell speaks, the market can react majorly. Uh, we'll turn back time in a minute. Let me see it here. I believe it's here. Yeah. Let's look here. Turn back time just a bit. This is last year. And
Trying to remember. Yeah. You can see here, I believe this was the day Pal talked. It was a Friday. And you can see, first of all, wild choppiness. And then this candle, I believe, is when his speech came out. Shot down 129 points. Quickly shot back up by 171 points. And then fell throughout the day from 177 here was and ended the day at, so I'm sorry, 13,177, and ended the day at 12,558, which means about a 700 point drop when after he spoke at the symposium last year. And we've seen similar moves like that in prior years as well. So it's definitely going to be something we need to watch next week. And if we get trends like that, it could be you know, a nice account maker. Obviously, past does not mean future. It could all be a dud. He could say he doesn't care and not going to do anything. Juan, any luck with the RTI coding? Oh, pulling back down. Small candles. Nothing to write home about yet. Okay, cool. We're kicking up mud. And bouncy, bouncy, back up. Yeah, it's not bouncy, bouncy though. But based on my RTI strat, obviously I was just waking up here, so I wasn't gonna jump up and take a trade. I haven't gotten that bad yet, but not only was this a blue candle, but it did get back above after this dip. It got back above that 80 line. You can see here. Oh, that was a big wick. So we've been put our stop out on this Bollinger and room. Haven't quite hit the 2-to-1 yet. Definitely would have done 1-to-1, but there's about 2-to-1. Let's see if we get there. Last night during Asia, and I need to start watching Asia better because I probably could get some uh, nice scalps on Asia as well. Seeing this candle, this is a very weird looking candle. It's like, but this is where the reversal started. You can see this nice move up. Hey, Mr. G, nice to see you. How are you doing, my friend? Well, let's see. It is choppy. Let's see. The other weird thing is, well, AQ's going up, ES and YM are pulling down. Actually, that's a beautiful play off of YM right there. See, let's see. Gold's actually been nice rise up here. I'm sorry, copper. It's copper. Copper, gold. And gold also, gave an entry while I was sleeping. I'm glad you had to walk. Storms don't sound like fun. I mean, I like rainy days, but down in Florida, I probably wouldn't. Rainy days and Mondays. I take it you're in a desert, Ahmed? I apologize. I know nothing about your country. Riders on a storm. So does it normally not rain for months there, Ahmed, or is this odd for you not to get rain in that long? Oh wow. I've never skied. I would die. Now that was true even when I had two legs. So we just want to hit. Excuse me. Sorry. I had to mute before I did that. Anyway, so off this blue candle here, that when we got back above the 80 line on the RTI, this would have went to 2 to 1. I can't ski. I could never ice skate. I can't do any winter sports. Maybe sledding. I could fall well on ice. But continuing to rise up. It's trying to reclaim 15,000. ES rising up here as well at 44.30. ES never dipped below the 80 line. Do kind of like the blue candle, but we'll see. Are you really gonna yellow, I man? I didn't want to have to reach through this screen and smack you. Okay. You had me worried for a second. Good. Good, 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 good. Problem is that 10 tick stop. I mean, it probably won't be a big problem on for news like today. But sometimes that 10 tick stop can be a much larger stop with slippage. Yep. Like that day, I made $5,200 and had to lose 4,000 of it. Hello, Maria. Welcome. How you doing? So we are 10 minutes till the unemployment claims news. That and the Philly Fed Business Index is our only news of the day. NQ struggling to get above 14,990 here. ES at 44.30. Dow at 34,828. Ah, tell Antonio I said hi. Could. Sometimes it depends. Yeah. I mean, if the jobless claims really miss the mark, it could signal that the economy's slowing. So the market likes that because then it thinks there'll be no more interest rate hikes. Huh. Yeah, I feel bad for electric companies because I mean, it's what are they supposed to do with their lines? I mean, this happened in California too. I just don't know how you prevent these things. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I agree. That's horrible. Wow. Let's go check that out. Yeah. Yeah, it's risen up nicely over the past few days. Pulled back a little bit, but yeah, nice. Seems like it's electric vehicles. There's a stock I was checking out the other day. Let's see if I still have it here. I might have just froze it up. No, boom. Yeah, look at this one. This is from 2 days ago. This is something called Sax Parente Golf. I have no idea what it is. It just IPO'd on Tuesday. Look at this. It went from $4.40 all the way up to $32. So at 8x increase, 800%, and now it's fallen and back down to where it started. But if you had gotten in right here at the bottom at $5 a share, been quite a good profit. But those they have liquidity problems and the halt problems, which is why I much prefer futures. Yep. So we're still trying to grind up here. News in a few. That one I just talked about. SPGC. IPO'd, then ran, and then now. No. S. S as in Sam, P as in parent, G as in golf, C as in cat. Yes, that's correct. In retrospect, I should have just typed it. But sometimes when I'm here on stream, I forget I have the ability to just type. Yes. So interesting that the Dow is continuing to fall here as NQ continues to kind of grind. Sounds like something John DeFore would want to invest in. I'm not a golf fan either. uh, 15 seconds till our news. Based on where we're at in the band, I almost see us coming down. Then again, I could be wrong. Wow, look at that whip down. Got up to 997 and quickly whipped down to 980. And back up the green. Basically back to where we were. Well, that really didn't knock our socks off. Was not a sock knocker. It's totally indecisive of where it wants to go. Oh, let's look at the numbers. I forgot to check out the numbers. Jobless claims actual 239K, forecast was 240K, so a very, very slight beat on that number. Philly Fed Business Index, oh, there's 15,000 now. So it waited like 2 minutes and then burst up. Hit 15,000. Let's see if it can hold it. U.S. Philly Fed Business Index 12. Forecast was negative 10.2. So that was quite the beat. And now there's no other news catalyst today. Well, except for, hey, Mr. G, what the heck is U.S. leading index change month over month? It's at 10 o'clock. I've never heard of that report before. It doesn't ring a bell. And pulling back. So it hit 15,000, couldn't hold it. That might be a catalyst for us to move down. We'll see. I'm mad. I think this is chop is worse than the before the news. So next week, My Funded Futures goes live, and they're going live on Rhythmic, and that worries me, as we could see some Rhythmic issues if we start seeing, if they don't have their own dedicated server, and we see thousands upon thousands of new accounts suddenly hitting that the Rhythmic servers. Back above 15,000. Now we're really extended on the upside. Well above the Bollinger Band, running here to 15,010. ES, same thing, up to 44.34. Dow with a bounce as well. Now we just touched 15,012. It's not choppy anymore, Ahmed. That said, I expect this to come crashing down, but I won't bet on that yet. 15,015, 75 is the high. Oh yeah, I agree. I'm waiting. I'm expecting reversal, honestly. But we'll wait. I'm not gonna jump in on that. I don't know what the opposite is of don't catch a falling knife. What? Don't jump in the way of a blasting rocket. I don't know. Gold, new high day. Copper, new high day. Ultra bond bouncing a little bit. It actually happened that it's open. Not really doing anything from this news. Crude, slight new high day. I'm not sure why natural gas is all happy, but it is. 15,018 new high. No JC yet this morning. Back here. Let's pull back about 12 points from its high. ES has pulled back about 2.5. Dow's still running up. The Russell, it's still trying to rise as well. That candle closes. Interesting wick on it. And coming down. Trying to make good decisions. I had thought about shorting. Obviously, it would have worked, but it was not in my, really in my strategy. Gold's pulled back. Ultra bonds looking depressed. Right there, that Ultra bond right at the open. That would have been good to take. Crude. Big bounce there on the Dow on the 15, you see. So that's what it's done since news. Crude, trying to figure out where it's going as well. Hey, Ace. How's the vacation? Still having fun? Ace's vacation photo here in 1 second. There it is. I take it you're not really in Spain. Where in the world is Ace Trades? Still rising up here now. Thank you again. Still running up. Hey, freighter. I'm not sure there's anybody here like that. Kidding. Doji candle there, now slight purple. Still a long time to go on it, but you can see here on ES it's completely outside of the bands. We're still rising up green. Green, green, green. ES at 44.35. NQ up to 15.010 again. Yeah, I hate those, and it's gonna be interesting to see whether or not the props have any. I mean, I don't. I agree. Don't understand how the people keep their funded accounts if they have someone else pass them for them. So yeah, it makes no sense to me. But unfortunately, there's a sucker born every minute. But it's not like it gets that much easier in a funded account though. So it's like it doesn't make sense to me. Hey, John, how you doing? Yeah, you're right. I meant it. I've been funded 3 times and blew all three. Although one time it was a bot that blew it, so I'll blame the bot. So now we're choppy at a higher level. I've blown an evaluation by accidentally leaving a trade open a couple of times. I tend to do that on Tradovate. So we are at high of day on everything besides the Dow, or just about at high day. Oh wow, gold really pulled back. Copper's pulling back. If the Ultra Bond drops another half a point, it'll be at its lowest level since 2011. Crude oil moving up. Crude oil opens in about 10 minutes. We're 40 minutes from the bell. That's a slightly red candle there. I like that. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I hear the train a coming, rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Market's indecisive. He's Imad from Morocco. Hopefully I didn't blow your cover there, Ahmed. Freighter is from Estonia. Burl is from North Carolina. Hey, Burl. How you doing today, John? You kind of disappeared after saying hello. John DeFore, sorry. Both Johns. How you doing today? Yeah, you can tell. My memory is a lot better when I'm not eating carbs. If I'm eating carbs, I sometimes have terrible brain fog. Choppy around 15005. ES 4434. Yeah, I'm pretty much completely carnivore for right now. Nice, John. Very good. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Meat, fish, eggs, cheese. Cheese is the only non-meat product. I mean, I can't give up cheese. Yeah. Oh wow, 30% off its all-time high. I mean, technically, it would be me, but I don't think I'll get to that point. And keep continuing to try and grind here. Uh, I live in Decatur, Illinois. I don't know what diseases my neighbor might have. Hey, RJ, how about those Blue Jays? Oh, you're using a mini now, Burl? So it's no trades yet this morning. Still waiting for, I don't know, some type of direction. NQ target 15040. Up to 15014 again. Top of the hour. Crude. Try to push up as it opens. I mean, everyone knows me as Ox, but technically I'm Brian. And now we're seeing a purple candle. We'll see where this goes. Chop City, USA. It's with an I. Purple candle here. Kind of interesting. Not sure I like it though. No, I didn't. So ES pulling back here by a little over 2. Almost down to its 20 EMA. AQ pulling back by about 9 points. Staying right above 15,000. Chat with traders, RJ. Broke 15,000. Let's see if it holds. Nope, back above. um, Ace, RJ said hi, Ace, a little while ago. And then I got on him about the his Blue Jays losing. So it's still coming down here, 14,997. Hopefully the bell will give us more direction. I mean, I can't say we didn't have direction and moved up, but first we were choppy, moved up, then we were choppy. Now we're moving on down. About 20 points off the high. Yeah. Someone here does that podcast? I don't think that's true. Only person I know that had a podcast here was Burl, and that was just swinging it. Not on Chat with Traders, no. Burl was interviewed by Canadian Futures Trader. Yeah, I was thinking short too, but I'm not confident in it, so I'm holding out and being patient. Need good setups. So far, I haven't liked them. Oh wow, look at crude going. Crude's been the star of the day. This is on the 15, of course. overnight. Beautiful entry right there. Boom. Gonna pull back once and then another boom. Let's see here. Had one pullback, did not get under the 80. So you can see, but we could have played those blue candles there and been beautiful. That said, we're now entirely outside of the band, so looking for a pullback there possibly. Up now, we're dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. So now we're 20 minutes till the bell. I wanted something to trade. Try to pop back up. Yep, and it kind of sucks because there's no news catalyst tomorrow either. So it's like, ugh. Like I said, I could take crude off those blue candles. Who says that I wear underwear? Boring morning so far, folks. Boring morning. Remember next week, again, next week is the Jackson Hole Symposium. I'm not sure who the heck decided to name a town Jackson Hole, But anyway, Jackson Hole Symposium, which every year seems to rock the markets. So next week could be some excitement. So we're grinding down, back down to the 20, but really a slow grind. Slow, slow, slow. Eh, trying to break the 20. Sending another blue candle. Crude pulled back, but still trying to push up. Copper still pushing up. Ultra bond finding some footing. The Russell's pulling back. Bitcoin still having a depressing day. Break of the 20 here. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Back above the 20. Back below the 20. Hopefully the bell will give us some direction. Dow's trying to pop up here though. Always nice. ES is popping up too. NQ's the only one showing red right now. Yes, rising up off that blue candle. I thought about it. Yes, so just wait till after the bell for any trades unless something really explodes in the next couple minutes. Who's there? An octopus who? I'm doing knock knock jokes on my stream. I think I've just hit an all-time low. Pulling back. There ain't much exciting going on right now. Sounds good, Freighter. Good plan. We're just hanging here. 14,992. Yes, at 44.32. And we're still missing Andrew Gibson. I wonder what happened to him. He hasn't been here in a few weeks now. We found Crypticon again, even though he hasn't been here today yet. There's a nice purple candle trying to break back through. 5 minutes to go. We're still moving down. Waiting and watching. So boring first 90 minutes of the stream. Hopefully the last 90 minutes will be better. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Less than 2 minutes. Places, everybody. Doing a little bit of work here in the background while we wait. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Hopefully. 40 seconds. 40, 40, 40. Not 30. Well, now it's 30. Ding 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 ding. And we're not really going far fast right now, are we? There we go. There we got some momentum. 10 points. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? More, well, natural gas inventories. That's it for today. Okay, now we're flirting with coming back down the red. ES and Dow nicely green. NQ's unsure what it wants to do with its life. ES try to get back up to high a day, which is 36.75, I believe. Is that right? Yes, 36.75. NQ's high was 15.018. It's pulling back. Dow just hit high a day, 34.935. Yeah, I was just looking at it. Ooh, big move down there. Big splash down. Yeah, I was just looking at radar because it's starting to get gray here, but there's nothing close to me. Looks like your thunderstorm will be passing pretty soon there. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly where you're at. So, wow. So all of a sudden now we're getting a big move down. 20 points down. Well, through the bands there, well, hitting the 100 EMA. The Dow did not is not moving down. Dow's moving up. Nice, John. Very nice. We're down 23 points here. Big old purple candle. 27 now. Ultra bond. Not really doing anything. Made it sound like, oh, crude's pulling back. Gold, big pullback there. Copper pulling back slightly. Big purple candle in NQ gives me a conundrum. I don't think I want to take it, but that might be a mistake because it is a break of the 80 line. Let's see if I should have taken it. Still no trade yet. Still waiting. This was possible, but it's Heron and Holland here. Let's see what it does. Copper definitely pulling back there. Oh, that was my setup on copper there. That purple candle coming out of the bands. That would have been perfect. I need to get better alerts. Up and here comes there goes NQ saying I should have taken that. So we got down to 14,957, back up to 63. See right here, this seems to be a support area. Came down to 58 there, came down to 57 there, came down to 56 there, and now we just hit 57 again. So kind of a quadruple bottom there. See if it can break through that support. So far it's bouncing. Those that like to play support and resistance, that would have been a great buy, right? Putting a buy order around that area. $90 on this candle. You see it's popped all the way back up. So it dropped down by about 13 points, now popped back up. And coming back down. Dow's starting to show some weakness here. Still a green candle, but more wick than body. ES. ES would have been the safer play there instead of the NQ on that same candle. We could have got in a special there of 2 points. Wow, look at this push down now. Wow. 15. And since the high of the day at 15.018, we've pulled back by about 63 points. Totally outside the bands right now, these candles. He's looking for longs in all the, hopefully, right places. Continue to fall. Broke that resistance. Next, I mean, that support next will be down at 934. Yeah, there's a bounce. Back up to 958. Strong rise back up. Big blue candle. That wasn't, it bounced off the 100. Still got 2.5 minutes on this 5-minute candle. See where it wants to go. Yes, blue candle. Pulling back. Wow. Gave it all back. Pip pip. Good job. John, you're on a roll. Even gold likes you today. Gold bouncing back up. Wow. So looked like it wanted to pop back up, and now look at this. Just whoosh back down. Down to 943. I say, what did I say? I forget already. 934. Next support. Yes, looks like next support there is 25. Have a great day, John. We'll see you tomorrow. Market is definitely sad today. Here's its story, sad but true. So I'm really upset with myself that I didn't trust that purple candle. Even if I put the stop at the top of the body, it's gone 36 points so far. I've been looking for 2 to 1. I've been looking for 50. If I was going for 1.5, I'll be right about there. 1.5 to 1. Bouncing a little bit here. Got down to 31, so a little bit lower than that support I mentioned, which is at 34. Dow's pulled back 34,905. Got a little lower than that, down to its 20 EMA, just about. Now it's trying to bounce. Back up to 940, 19, 14,942. I have a sim trade open on EMD, which I've been testing out. The sim trade's up 400 bucks. Now, big bounce here. Russell's falling too. I really like how it looks with my RTI indicator. I looked at it the other day, and I'm like, hey, this really seems to work well with it. You have some slippage because there's a pretty big bid-ask spread, but yeah, so I had the chart here, and it, this is I mean, that candle right there, that's a $560 candle. Look, yesterday, this was yesterday's chart. It's right here, that would have been based on my strat, I've been almost an $800 win, and I mean, it just went down the rest of the day too. Right here's my entry on the strat. Could have been another $800 win there, easy. Easy peasy. But yeah, it's something I'm watching. Big bounce on it here. As NQ comes back down. Big purple candle. Have you traded EMD in the past, RJ? It could be ACE. It's not a mind-altering drug, but it could be a wallet-altering asset. Long, long time ago, I still remember. So ES down to that 44.24 is trying to break that support. NQ continues to fall. Did it move better back then? I mean, I shouldn't say move better, but did it have more volume back then, I wonder? We could look. I know right now it's it has a spread to it. Usually looks like anywhere between 3 to 8 ticks of spread on the bid and ask. So if you get in with a market order, you're going to take slippage. So look at this, guys. I doubted that purple candle, and we are almost at 50 points, which have been the target. Yep, there it went. I just got to take them. Be willing to take the loss. That's what I got to do. My biggest problem is loss aversion, fear of loss. You can see here, I mean, look at the chart. You know, right here would have been my entry on it. Actually, I actually jumped in early. Did I really? I jumped in early on it, but even so, it's come down, you know, nicely, 250, 300 bucks. That was my entry, and I didn't take it. Theoretically, this was also my entry. That one I have a better reason not to take unless I was scalping outside of the bands already this far down. Yeah, I mean I agree, but for me, I mean it literally is keeping me from greatness. You know, this strategy that I mean charting out now is brilliant in the way the way it works. And I mean, I've had other good strategies in the past too. It's just I'm just can't pull the triggers, or I shouldn't, or I talk myself out of it. This one, this purple candle, it had one, at least two triggers to it that tell me to enter a trade, and I'm like, well, it's hanging around the 100 EMA. It's this that, so that one thing talked me out of it, and it's just like, eh. Ouch. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the mic. Yeah, see, EMD is still falling here. It's pretty clean. So if I look at the chart now, it it had surprising volume this morning. Usually anything before the bell is worthless, but this would have been an entry right here. Would have, and then it popped back up. Would not have taken that. And actually, the hit off the Bollinger Band, that would have been the best entry down. But even here, now it's finally starting to pull back. Yeah, 14 down to 10. That's a $400 move. Yeah, if I can't break this is my last, you know, uh, My last hurdle with this trading thing, I feel. I mean, I shouldn't say it like that. Obviously, trading's hard every day, no matter what. But it's like my last major thing that I need to figure out. I'm late here. It's probably a stupid trade, but I'm long. Wow, what just happened? On micros 5. Yeah, I got in late and I should have got in right at this candle start. Let's see if it still gives me a push up. Looking for 946. It's at 939. My entry is at 939. Yep. Yep. Stupid. Stupid trade. Stupid trade. Stopped out. Oh, I saved myself. I was only 2 micros. I was like, how is that only like 40 bucks? Thought it was 5 micros. Only 2, so only a $40 loss there. If I had gotten in at the right time when that candle started, I would have got my 10 points. Dow moving up nicely. There you go, RJ. What did you say? 140, 141? Russell bouncing. Wow, look at lean hogs go. Oh, and back down here. Definitely not something the NFC North needs to worry about. still heading down, or trying to. The low of this move now 908. What's our lows of the day? And Q low of the day 887 in Asia. Same candle on ES 4409 half. And Q's closer than ES is. Dow's not even close at all to its low day. Dropping like it's hot. Nope. Now bounce maybe again. Got down to 903. It's a nice blue candle. 2.5 minutes on it. We'll see. Yes, running into its 100 EMA. You can see here. It's run into it multiple times. Whoop, down, whoop, down, whoop, down, whoop. We'll go back down. Come for the trading, stay for the sound effects. Right back down to a red candle. We cannot find any traction. 0 for 1 this morning on that one trade. Just took just down 40 bucks. I'd like to get back to green. How's everyone else doing? ES still can't get above its 100 EMA. Let's see here. Copper's trying to bounce. And crude made a nice move there. That was an entry. Again, I can't watch everything. I need a trading assistant. That one right there. That could have been a nice 30 tick move. Gold. The gold's entry there would have been right there. Although actually, that would have actually stopped me out. came back up, and then went back down. So I would have taken the stop and then could have re-entered as it broke back down. I totally forgot about agriculture this morning. That was a nice move up on ag. On some of the ags. Russell bouncing. They're back to a purple candle there on the NQ. This has been I mean, I can't say we've had two good moves. I just didn't take advantage of them. There's been a lot of chop in the middle. Okay. Another push down here by NQ, and it breaks 14,900. For 887 is the overnight low. Big move there by ES as well, down by 5 points. Dow pulls back by 42. Not having a good day, Crypt. Oh. Oh, good. So yeah, walk away while you're green. Yeah, definitely. Very near overnight lows now on NQ. Excellent job, Crypt. Oh, that's awesome. See? Slow and steady wins the race. Awesome job. Proud of you, Crypt. I've always known you could do this. you need to somehow figure out how to get that same mindset because I mean, prop accounts is still live money. It's I mean, even if you're not the same live money, you're still spending money to you know by the evaluation and to reset the evaluations and etc. You know, so there's still a risk, the money risk there, and that's what you need to think about, Crypt, if you still want to do prop firms. I mean, I wish I had just a tad of your your risk taking ability, Crypt. I I took one trade, two micros, $40 loss. I made. Where I was more willing to take the good trades that I should be taking. So we have about 30, 42 minutes left on the stream. Hopefully we get another trade to get us back to green. Reminder, if anybody here trades natural gas, you have inventories coming up in a little over 10 minutes. Yeah, I agree. Snooze fest. I mean, like I said, I missed an opportunity, but and there's no news catalyst tomorrow either. The market may be in a little bit of a lull for the next couple of days as we head up to that Jackson Hole symposium. Bit of a blue candle here, but not kind of blue candle I like, not one I really want to trust. That's right, I got trust issues with it. Just hanging right around 15,900. I'm sorry, 14,900. Yeah, I mean, YM 34,936, ES 44,25. Do you have a blue candle here? There were opportunities. I didn't take them. I got to get better at not just, I've just been talking about not taking the ones I see, but there's ones I don't see until too late. It's the next thing I need to get better at as well. These blue candles here that were on the right on the 20 on YM would have been good winners for me. I need like them to upgrade trading views so like when certain conditions are met, the chart turns colors or something. Starts glowing. It tried popping up, just got beaten back down. $14,900. It's where the battle is right now. Wasted days and wasted nights. See if it comes down. It looks like it wants to break that Asia low. Back down. Yep, broke Asia low there. So let me yell at myself again. This was my next purple candle. And again, it would have required a big stop. But I didn't take it. And look at, it's gone 30 points. It's been a 1-to-1. We can see if it goes further. One day people just need to start taking all the trades that I say I should have taken, and you'll all be rich. Of course, don't actually blindly follow me or anybody else. That was a joke. Do not actually take trades that that anything I say. Continuing to this fall. Russell falling as well. That's been a very clear short trade there. I've seen Philip in the last couple of days. Gold still pushing up. I'm sorry, crude still pushing up. Copper hanging on its 100 EMA. Gold falling. Falling. The Dow is actually an interesting on the 15-minute chart here. This is one of my main setups. Multiple reasons. If we put our stop at the Bollinger, about a 36-point stop, and we would have got 2-1. Now, I would have had to hold through the open, so, which was dangerous. But even if I had closed right before the open, we could have got a little bit more than 1-1 with a 43-tick winner, point winner, whatever. I really haven't been watching the Asia setups, but this was a perfect setup last night on Asia too. That was a move up by about 70 points. So we could have went short all day today, basically, or at least since the Val. Bitcoin's still looking depressed. Crude oil inventories happening now. I'm sorry, wrong. Natural gas inventory is happening now. Looks like it's pulling back some, but not like violently at all. Right. ES trying to pop up, NQ trying to pop up. Dow's been the strongest. It's never really pulled back much. But it hasn't really gone much up either.
it going, guys? Anyone doing anything? Anyone catch any trades? I know John was up on the day. RJ got his one trade. Down 40 bucks. 43 actually. I've been green 5 out of 5 days on this Blue Sky account. By the way, trying to conserve streaks is stupid. I don't like to be 6 out of 6. Oh wow. I was thinking about taking a quick short there. I should have. Down to 876, but there was no reason for me other than feeling like it was going to go down. There was nothing in my trading plan that said that I should go short there. So, let me see this purple candle here coming out of the 15 on the crude. See what it's doing on the 5. Kinda. Big pullback on the Dow now. I think it's kind of pushing down. So again, if I take this purple candle, I'll be up 40 points. Yeah. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen you trade YM before, Crypt. RJ, your plan is working. Turning everyone into Dow traders. Wow, look at that drop. Wow. So it went down about 52 points from that purple candle. Now, didn't you say you were going to walk away, Crypt? I mean, I'm happy to see you getting these wins, but aren't you now kind of violating exactly what you said you were going to do? Yeah, it has a nice ring to it, RJ. So we are at low a day now on NQ. And I think, no, ES still isn't there either. ES was 4409.
So, yeah. I'm just going to start taking every trade. That's what I got to do. Why? What's wrong, Crypt? Oh. There'll always be more trades, Crypt. Wow. We're down to 6 viewers. That's Crypticon, me, and RJ is 3 of the 6. I keep hemorrhaging viewers. Oh, and Ace is 4 of the 6. And Juan. Okay, so 5 of the 6 are a little bounce there. Ah. We'll pick up once I start making $10,000 a day. And I appreciate that, Crypticon. Juan, Ace wants to know where you're from. Malta. Wow, that's a I gotta admit, I got some diverseness in where people come from. We have Morocco, Estonia, Malta, Malta, Idaho. Also, unfortunately, actually, there's a Malta in Illinois.
How about that? Didn't even know that. But I'm assuming he means the island in the Mediterranean. Yeah, Malta is a rural area west of Chicago. Crypticon, you can go check out Malta. Cryptotron. Wow. Wow, Ace. I think maybe I know why my viewership is down. Hanging here at 14,866. Dow trying to bounce. Ace, Juan's been here for months. Hmm. Looks like a very beautiful country. Blue candle might be seeing a rebound here. So I have these little emojis now on the side of my chat screen. Not sure why they're there. I think I remember you mentioning them a few months back, Ace. I literally just got them for some reason. It must have been like a slow rollout or something. They just showed up for me in the last 2 days, and they haven't played stupidly because they sometimes the last block some of the words of the last message if it's a big, a longer message. Excuse me. Sorry. Usually I mute for a cough. Did not work that time. I just didn't do it. So where are we going to go from here? Are we going to pop up? We're going to pull back. Only the CME knows for sure. Big candle now. Big boost here. 20 points back up. We're long. 2 micros again. I meant to do 5, but hey.
Yeah, I was joking. So we're long here. 2 micros. Let's see how we do. Hugging the bands on the 1. Yep, they're band huggers. Wow, boom. Target hit.
I wish I did that on a mini. So now we're only down the cost of commission today, $6.96. Back up to 906 there. Nice rise up on everything. See, now again, I'm still not playing what I should do there. This should be a long here, and I should have put the stop at the below this candle. It's about a 20-point stop, and either go for the full 40 or just put the target at the 20 EMA. You can see here it's gone 15 points so far. Oh yeah, absolutely. Commission on micros suck. It's one of the reasons I don't really like micros, but I shouldn't say I don't like them. I like them less, but I do like that it allows me to size down on trades I'm unsure of, or in trades that would have a bigger stop loss. Like this one, I should have did a 20-point stop loss on. I did 2 micros, so if I had done it right, you know, even if I had taken the full stop, it would have been $80 on those 2 micros plus commission. Prices may vary. Participating brokers only. Void where prohibited by law. So 1 for 1 on the day. I will at some point today probably try and get that $7.
As stupid as it is. Nice rise up here on the Dow.
Yeah, it's above its 20, below its 100.
The NQ is now up 20 points off of that entry, so I could have got double what I did get.
So see, got up to that 20 EMA. So that would have been a perfect trade there if I had done what I say I should do. That would have been a winner for 26 points. Now, if I wanted to try for 2 to 1, I have 5 minutes left in the stream. We'll see if we would have gotten there in the next 5. Yep, see, it looks like hitting the 20 was a good idea. You see it's pulling back there. She is painting and hanging cabinets. So right back down. So perfect targeting the 20 EMA there. And you see the pullback here. Now it might still go to that 20 after this pullback. Why sit through the pullback? So that gave back that whole candle. It's actually an entry candle for me now. It's gotten back under that 20 on. Have a great day, Juan. We'll see you tomorrow. Wow. So I took a trade of micro ES. 5 of them, and I just ended the day green, up $21.84. So my green streak on Blue Sky continues. And that's what we're going to call it for today. We will talk to everyone tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hopefully a more exciting day tomorrow as we can try and finish out the week and continue to work toward funding. Have a great day, everyone. See you tomorrow. It's very nice of you to feed the squirrels. Squirrels are fun to watch, Crypticon. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.